This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Paige Peugh. Charming and roomy cottage located very close to the shores of Lake Nottely and public boat ramp. This well-maintained home is in a park-like setting at the end of a short drive and features a huge living area with cathedral ceilings and stone fireplace with gas logs. Nice master bedroom with doors leading out to a screened-in porch, clawfoot tub and separate shower. Attractive stone patio and nicely landscaped plus a workshop/outbuilding and large fenced area for pets. No deed restrictions or HOA. The roof and HVAC both recently replaced. For more information, review the details below or contact Paige Peugh at 706-633-9969.